Concentration and sperm number. Sperm number. Total number of sperms and sperm concentration are not synonymous. That is, they do not mean the same. They are different. Sperm concentration means number of spermatozoa per unit volume of semen. Normal volume value is more than or equal to 15 into 10 to the power 6 per ml. It is a function of the number of spermatozoa emitted and the volume of fluid diluting them. Total sperm number is the total number of spermatozoa in the entire ejaculate and is obtained by multiplying the sperm concentration by the semen volume. Normal value is more than or equal to 39 into 10 to the power 6. Steps for estimation of sperm number. Mix semen after it undergoes liquefaction. Draw semen up to the mark 0.5 mark in a WBC pipette. Draw semen diluting fluid up to the mark 11 and mix it well. The composition of diluting fluid is sodium bicarbonate 5 grams, formalin 1 ml. These sodium bicarbonate and formalin immobilize and preserve the spermatozoa. Next, add distilled water, or you can even use tap water up to 100 ml. In this slide, you can see the method of counting, the way how the microscope has to be moved in a counting chamber. That is how we move from one column to another column. Charge the improved Neubauer chamber and allow the sperms to settle for about 5 minutes. Count the number of sperms in 4 large corner squares as we do in case of WBC count. In this slide, in the right bottom corner, you will see the chamber grids present, labeled from 1 to 9 columns. The corner 4, that is 1, 3, 9 and 7 are the columns used for WBC counting, and the center, that is column number 5, is used for the RBC counting. The RBC counting, the column 1, 3, 7 and 9 are the single column. Each column is divided into 16 columns. Column 1 into 16 columns, column 3, column 7 and column 9 each into 16 columns. Whereas the center, that is the column number 5, are divided into 5 columns each, that is 25 columns each, and the calculation, for calculation we use the corner 4 columns and the center 1 column. That is total of 5 columns are used for the calculation. Number of squares, we continue with the calculation. Number of squares assessed depend on the number of sperms counted in the first large square, that is 16 columns. If the value is less than 10 counted, then the whole grid is assessed. That is 1 to 9 grids are assessed. If the count is between 10 to 40, then 10 squares are assessed. If the count is more than 40, then 5 squares are assessed. This is how we move in for calculation using the hemocytometer. Coming on to the calculation using the formula. Once the number of sperms are counted, next we move on to the calculation part. If the cells of the two chambers are not within 5% of their average, then discard. remix the sample and set it up again. That indicates the counting, charging is not done properly. If the two counts are in agreement, then the sum of the two counts is divided by the correction factor. That is, if 2 into 25 squares counted, divide their sum by 10. If 2 into 10 squares are counted, divide their sum by 4. If 2 into 5 squares are counted, divide their sum by 2. This gives the sperm concentration in millions per ml. The formula says sperm count is equal to concentration into total volume. Calculation. Using 1 in 20 dilution and 4 large WBC squares, counting is done. Formula is, at the bottom you will see the formula, sperms per ml of semen is equal to sperms counted in 4 large squares divided by area into depth into dilution. If you take the number of sperms as n, area 4, because 4 large squares of WBCs are counted, as in WBCs are counted, depth of the counting chamber 1 by 10, dilution 1 by 20, we get n divided by 4 into 1 by 10 into 1 by 20 into 1000 because it is converted. N that gives a total about n into 50,000 in case of you are using a WBC squares for counting. If you are using a RBC squares, that is 5 small squares are used, using a dilution of 1 in 20 dilution, then the sperms counted per ml is equal to number of sperms counted into 10 lakh. Normal count is about 40 to 300 millions per ml. Sperm concentration. The WHO reference values for sperm concentration, if it is more than or equal to 20 into 10 to the power 6 sperms per ml. Count of less than 20 millions per milliliter or ml are considered to be subfertile. If a man has a sperm concentration less than 5 into 10 to the power 6 sperms per ml, the WHO recommends assessment for numerical and structural abnormalities of the sex chromosomes. We'll see the conditions here. Azoospermia. Absence of motile, that is hence viable sperms in the semen is called as azoospermia. The term oligospermia or oligozoospermia refers to the semen with low concentration of sperm in it, that is less than 20 million per ml. Causes for low sperm count are infection, obstruction or endocrinopathies. Infections. Example of conditions are mumps or orchitis. Mumps is an infectious viral disease causing swelling of parotid salivary gland and causes sterility in case of males. Orchitis is pain and swelling in the testicle. Usually it is seen during the first week of mumps, that is mumps orchitis. Prostatitis, it is the swelling and inflammation of prostate gland. Next, obstruction. Occlusion or absence of efferent duct. Efferent duct are series of parallel efferent ducts. Efferent ducts are series of parallel tubules which connect the testis with the initial secretion of epididymis. Sperms travel through this duct. Obstructions lead to decreased count. Next, endocrinopathies. A disease of an endocrine gland, that is leading to hormone problems. commonly seen are hypothyroidism. Hypothyroidism is decreased thyroid hormone by the thyroid gland. In turn, this leads to decreased metabolism and thus leads to weight gain. Next condition, hyperthyroidism. Increased thyroid hormone by the thyroid gland. Thyroid hormone here are T3 and T4. Increased T3, T4 leads to hyperactivity, that is increased appetite, anxiety and weight loss is seen in the person. Next, hypopituitarism. Hypopituitarism is diminished hormone secretion by the pituitary gland, causing dwarfism in children and premature aging in case of adults. Next, hypogonadism. Hypogonadism is reduction or absence of hormone secretion or other physiological activity of the gonads, that is testes or ovaries. So these are the causes for low sperm count. Next, moving on to sperm morphology. You see the picture of normal sperm. It has three main parts: head, midpiece and tail. The head measures 4 to 5 micrometer and 3 micrometer in diameter. It has a cap called acrosomal cap or acrosome or head cap, which stains light blue and nucleus stains dark blue. Middle piece or body measures 5 to 7 micrometer in length and 1 micrometer in diameter. It provides energy for motility. Neck measures about 0.3 micrometer. It is situated between the head and the middle piece. Tail measures about 50 to 55 micrometer in length. It stains red or pink. Motility propagates along the tail. Preparation of semen smears. After liquefaction, make a thin smear of the semen on the glass slide similar to that of the blood smear. Allow the smear to dry in air and then heat the slide very gently to fix the smear. If the sperm concentration is low, centrifuge at 600 rpm for 10 minutes and from the sediment prepare the smear. If the semen is viscous, then wash the semen with saline, that is 0.2 to 0.5 ml semen with 10 ml saline. Mix and centrifuge at 800 rpm for 10 minutes. Now from the sediment prepare the smear. Here sperm morphology may be affected.